In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So we're going to start from our Phantom Wallet app, and in here we're going to click on Send. And we are going to send in Solana in this tutorial, but you can use any other currency or crypto. And let's click on Solana for the tutorial. In here we need to enter a wallet address, and we need to get the wallet address from Coinbase. So let's go over to our Coinbase app to get this wallet address. In Coinbase, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right. And in here, we're going to click on Receive Crypto. And we're going to click on Solana in my case. But if you're going with another crypto or another currency, then please make sure you align that one with your Phantom wallet. So I'm going with Solana. And in here, we can see a QR code. And below we see a wallet address. And we're going to copy this to our clipboard. And now we're going to return to Phantom Wallet. And in here, we're going to paste in the wallet address from Coinbase. So we click on Paste, and now we click on Next. And in here, we can enter the amount of Solana that we want to transfer. And let's say I want to transfer $1. Then I'm going to click on Next. And in here, I can click on Send when everything is ready. So right now, I don't have any balance, but if you have more than $10, then this transfer will be fine. So that is how you transfer from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.